Have you seen my avocado toast? You don't get it if you're not on the coast. We don't mean to brag, we don't mean to boast. We just love our avocado toast. Ingredients: bread, few slices of your preferred bread, whole grain or rye, great choice. Avocado, white avocado, seasonings, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, red pepper flakes, optional, lemon or lime juice, about 1 teaspoon, optional topping. Have you seen my avocado toast? You don't get it if you're not on the coast. We don't mean to brag, we don't mean to boast. We just love our avocado toast. Cherry tomatoes, radishes, microgreens with sprouts, poached or fried egg, Feta or goat cheese, olive oil for drizzling, fresh herbs, smoked salmon, everything bagel, seasoning directions, toast the bread. Have you seen my avocado toast? You don't get it if you're not on the coast. We don't mean to brag, we don't mean to boast. We just love our avocado toast. Choose the slices of bread to your desired level of crispiness. You can use a toaster, oven, or skillet. Prepare the avocado. Have you seen my avocado toast? You don't get it if you're not on the coast. We don't mean to brag, we don't mean to boast. We just love our avocado toast. While the bread is toasting, cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, the flesh into a bowl. Mash the avocado with a fork until it reaches your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, while others like it smoother. Add salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon or lime juice to the mashed avocado mix well. Have you seen my avocado toast? You don't get it if you're not on the coast. We don't mean to brag, we don't mean to boast. We just love our avocado toast. Assemble the toast. Spread the mashed avocado evenly onto the toasted bread slices. Add toppings, optional. If desired, add a choice of optional toppings such as cherry tomatoes, radishes, microgreens, or poached egg cheese, or smoked salmon. Sprinkle with additional salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, of everything bagel seasoning if desired. Drizzle with a little olive oil and add fresh herbs for extra flavor. Serve immediately. Have you seen my avocado toast? You don't get it if you're not on the coast. We don't mean to brag, we don't mean to boast. We just love our avocado toast. Serve the avocado toast immediately while the bread is still warm and crispy. Tips: choose the right avocado that gives slightly to gentle pressure. Experiment with different types of bread for varied flavors and textures. For a creamy texture, use a perfectly ripe avocado. For a bit of crunch, consider adding nuts or seeds like pumpkin or sunflower seeds. Enjoy your delicious and healthy avocado toast.